One of the challenges many families face at home is how to change the sheets on the bed if someone is unable to get out of the bed. What do? Why is it important to change the sheets regularly? This video helps answer these questions and provides instructions on how to change a sheet when an individual is confined to bed. Lying on clean bed linen is important to maintain cleanliness, good skin care, and prevent bed sores. The process may seem overwhelming at first, but rest assured that it is not that difficult and gets easier with practice. Two key things to remember in the process: always try to maintain good body mechanics to protect yourself from back injury, and be prepared by gathering all the items you need before you start. Gather items such as the fitted or bottom sheet and underpad before starting. Have a dirty linen hamper close by for the dirty linen. Disposable underpads are readily available from local pharmacies. Washable underpads may be purchased from hospital supply stores or from various sources on the internet. Online suppliers may be located by going to www.google.com or other search engines and searching for waterproof bed pads. Here the disposable pad shown is peach and the washable waterproof pad is gray. Plastic mattress covers are also available from many retailers. In an emergency, large garbage bags may be used between the mattress and the sheet as a mattress protector. Some sheets, such as jersey sheets, are easier to change than others. If not soiled, top sheets and blankets may be reused a number of times before changing. To start, loosen any sheets that are tucked in. Uncover your loved one by pulling the top sheet down and removing. Place these items on a clean surface close by if you will be reusing them. Gently remove any positioning items such as rolls or pillows. Stand on the side of the bed in the direction your family member will be rolling. If rolling the individual onto the right side, stand on the right side. If rolling them to the left side, stand on the left side. If the person is not lying on his side, you can use the sheet or pad to help do so. Once the individual is on his or her side, reach over and remove the corners of the fitted sheets. You may be able to remove these before you start. Roll the dirty pad and dirty fitted sheet under your loved one. Open the clean fitted sheet and extend it on top of the mattress. Tuck the corners in. You may need help doing this at first until it gets easier. Roll the pad halfway and tuck this under the individual. You should tuck the clean pad and clean sheet under the dirty sheet, but be careful not to allow the clean sheet to become soiled. Roll the person back and over the mound of rolled sheets. The smaller the mound, the easier it will be for them to turn. Be careful not to roll the individual too far onto the other side unless you have someone helping you to prevent them from rolling off the bed. If you do not have assistance, change your position to the other side of the bed before rolling. You always want to roll your loved one towards you. Remove the dirty pad and dirty linen by rolling them from under the individual. Have a hamper close by for the dirty linen. The mattress here is not protected. It may be a good idea at home to purchase a mattress pad for protection against accidents. Pull the clean pad and clean sheet from under your loved one and tug the corners of the fitted sheet. Jersey sheets may be easier to fit on the bed. It is important to smooth the sheet and make it taut to make it more comfortable. Reposition the individual flat on his back or on his side. Always check the position of the feet to ensure that they are not hanging over the foot of the bed or pushing against the footboard. The pad can be used to help move your loved one up in the bed. Roll the pad up and position your hands with your fingers pointed down and lift. When changing the sheets, always do your best to protect yourself from back injury. Place your feet about shoulder width apart and bend your knees. You should ask the individual to assist you as much as they can by bending their knees and helping to scoot up in the bed. If you have assistance, you should coordinate with the other helper by counting 1, 2, 3 prior to lifting. If you do not have assistance, you may need to use the pad and lift on one side, go to the other side of the bed and lift on the other side. Position the individual with pillows in desired positions and cover them loosely with the sheet. We recognize that this is not a simple task, and you may need to watch the video more than once. This video provides the basic guidelines for positioning and turning an individual. Everyone is different and may have different requirements or need specific precautions based on their medical condition or diagnosis. We encourage you to seek professional information by contacting your physician or other licensed healthcare professional